It is 32 degrees Celsius, very hot here in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. I'm about to do 100 push-ups in 5 minutes. 32 degrees Celsius hot, very hot. It's scorching effect of the sun. You can feel it, you can see it. All right, 100 push-ups in 5 minutes, and the count starts now. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Right? Or steady push-ups. Weather is hot. It's quite hot. Ooh. Steady push-ups. Let's go. 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, 7, 8, 40, 41. Ooh. One push-ups. Let's go. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Whoa. Let's get it. It's after doing 100 burpees 30 minutes ago. Alright. And some other exercises. 12 p.m. Nigerian time, 32 degrees Celsius, under the scorching effect of the sun, 100 push-ups in 5 minutes. And I am 50 push-ups in. Let's get it. Let's go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Right. 5 push-ups in. Like I said, 32 degrees Celsius. Very hot. Alright. 65 push-ups. Let's go. I did 100 burpees earlier. And some other exercises, like I said. 65 push-ups in. 100 push-ups should be achieved within 5 minutes. I don't know how many minutes. Let's go. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 80. 80 push-ups in. It's easy. It's easy, guys. 80 push-ups in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo. Burpees is the best exercise. Push-ups, burpees, pull-ups are the best calisthenics exercises. 80 push-ups in. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 90. 90 push-ups in. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share the video as well. Thank you so much for all your support. Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video to your community. Thank you. 90 push-ups in. 100 push-ups should be achieved under 5 minutes, under a 32 degrees Celsius hot sun. All right, on a Sunday afternoon here, River State, Port Harcourt. Let's go. 90 push-ups in. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 100. All right. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate you. Bye. See you on the next one.